Welcome students. Today we are going to start your 11th chapter, that is Pengu Pretends. Okay, the story here deals with a penguin. This is a story of a penguin whose name is Pengu, and this Pengu loves to pretend something. It's kind of a game. She likes to play a game that she calls Pretend. Pengu Pretend. Okay, so let's read the story. Okay, so let me give you a summary of this poem, of the story. Penguin, she is a penguin. The story is about a penguin whose name is Pengu, and she likes to pretend. Now what is pretend? Pretend is like a go as you like a game. Okay, it's like a game whose name is Go As You Like. Now what is Go As You Like? Go As You Like allows you to dress up like something, and stage and to go to a stage and pretend and to act like the person. Like for example, you can pretend to be a scientist, you can pretend to be a freedom fighter, like you can pretend to be our MK Gandhi or Netaji, or you can pretend to be Bharat Mata, anything. Like children likes playing this kind of game. So our dearest Pengu also likes to pretend and play something. Okay, so let's read the story. Pengu penguin likes to pretend. So what she likes? She likes to pretend. This week, Pengu has decided to pretend to be anything that begins with letter P. So in this week, Pengu has decided to be anything, to dress up like anything that begins with letter P. Means the entire week. A week has 7 days. So each day she will pretend to be something, and that something should start with letter P. So now let's see what she pretends to be on Monday. On Monday, Pengu pretends she is a pirate with a parrot on her shoulder. So very interesting. What Pengu has thought to pretend on Monday? She had thought that she will be pretending that she is a pirate. Now what is pirate? Pirate is a bugler, a thief, a dacoit. That means like you guys will have seen in kind of movies, or this pirate attacks different ships, different other ships. This pirate are generally they are available, you can find them in in oceans. Okay, so these are kind of thieves who attack different other, who travels in ship and attacks more other ships and the passengers, and they loot them. Okay, the passengers might be having some very expensive things, expensive jewels or something. So this pirate attacks them and they take away their things. So on Monday, this Pengu pretends to be a pirate with a parrot on her shoulder. Okay, you can see the picture over here. This is the look of a pirate, and this penguin is pretending to be a pirate with the parrot on her shoulder. The parrot, what is the name of the parrot? The parrot's name is Parry. The parrot's name is Parry. Pengu and Parry search the pirate ship looking for something to eat. So what is the work assigned to this Pengu? The work is Pengu and Parry search the pirate ship. They are searching for a ship, looking for something to eat. They are searching to eat something. Okay. All they can find are bananas and pineapples. And what they have found? They have found bananas and pineapple. So on Monday, Pengu is a pirate. She is having a parrot on her shoulder whose name is Parry, and both of them searching for a pirate ship to find something to eat. And what they found? They found bananas and pineapple, and they are very delicious. Okay, so this how does this bananas and pineapples taste? They are very delicious. Now next, see, on Tuesday, Pengu pretends she is a park ranger. On Tuesday, what she pretends? What she dresses up like? She dresses up like a park ranger, and her job is to keep the park safe and clean. And what is her work? What is the work assigned? Her work assigned is to keep the park safe and clean, so that there is no the things should be clean, the park should be clean, nobody should get lost, and it should be safe for everybody. Okay. On her rounds, while she was taking round of the park to check if it is clean and safe, she finds a polar bear who is having a picnic. Now, what is a polar bear? A polar bear is a white bear that is found on snow. They are found in snowy region. Okay, they cannot withstand the cloud and the heat of our region. In India, what we find the black bear, the normal bear. Okay, but this polar bear is a white bear, and it is found generally in those Antarctic and Arctic regions with loads of fish available there. They eat on fish. So what does this pengu find? She finds a polar bear family having picnic. So she finds that in the park there is a polar bear with his family and they are having a picnic. They invite pengu to join them, and the polar bear invites this pengu that come and have food with us, and she gets to eat papaya, biscuit and fish with them. What she finds to eat? She gets papaya, biscuit and fish on Tuesday with the polar bear family. Pengu has never tasted these foods before. Pengu has never eaten these kinds of food, and they are very delicious. So see, you guys have eaten papaya, fish and biscuits, and your mom asks you to eat and you say, no ma, I will not eat, mom, I'm not hungry. But this pengu, see, look at this pengu. This pengu finds them very delicious. Okay. Now next, on Wednesday, pengu pretends she is a paratrooper. What she pretends? She pretends to be a paratrooper. Now say, what is a paratrooper? Have you ever seen in movies that there is a helicopter moving in sky, and your hero, your superhero, just jumps from the helicopter, but he never falls. What he does, he has some kind of bag on his shoulder, and he plucks them and clicks them, and a parachute comes out. And that hero does not fall down, rather he, with the help of the parachute, lands on ground very easily. So the people who uses parachute and jumps from helicopter are known as paratrooper. Who knows to ride with parachute are known as paratrooper. So this pengu on Wednesday thinks to pretend to be a paratrooper, and she will be carrying a parachute. Now see what happens next. Wearing her parachute, pengu jumps from the plane. Now this was left. She wore her parachute, that bag that contains the parachute, and she jumps from the plane and lands right into the middle of a pumpkin patch. And where she lands, where she falls? She lands or falls in the middle of a pumpkin field. In middle of a pumpkin field, a field where there are loads of pumpkin. Okay, now see what happens. Now this pumpkin patch belongs to Mr. Patel. And now who is the owner of this pumpkin patch? Mr. Patel is the owner of pumpkin patch. And he is very surprised to see a penguin in the middle of the patch. But he isn't mad at her for smashing his pumpkins. Now see, imagine you are sitting on your terrace or you are sitting on your garden, and all of a sudden a penguin jumps in front of you and lands on the pumpkin that you have grown for ages, for days. You will be angry that all of a sudden a penguin, God knows from where, comes and lands on my pumpkin and destroys it. But this Mr. Patel is not angry. He is rather surprised to see a penguin who is landing from sky and landing on is jumping from sky and landing on his pumpkin, and also smashing his pumpkins. Smashing his pumpkins means destroyed. Pengu destroyed his pumpkins. Okay. Now see what happens next. Instead, Mr. Patel is not angry. Instead, he offers her a piece of pumpkin pie. Wow, Mr. Patel is very generous. He offers Pengu a piece of pumpkin pie, a delicious pumpkin pie. And what else? A bag of frozen peas, a peach, and a jar of pickles to take home with her. Mr. Patel is very, very generous. If somebody would have destroyed a flower or a pumpkin in my garden, I would have killed that person. Trust me. And this Mr. Patel is so surprised to see a penguin in his field, that he forgets everything, becomes very happy, very generous, and he gives her a pumpkin pie, a bag of frozen peas, a peach, and a jar of pickles to take home. It is something like you have gone to somebody's garden. Just imagine being a kid, you have gone to somebody's garden who has very ripe mangoes and very tasty fruits, and you have taken those fruits along with you, and the owner has caught you. But instead of scolding you, the owner is gifting you those fruits and extra pickles and chocolates. Like, bacha, take this home. Thank you for coming to my garden and taking all this. It is never going to happen, don't worry. If you go to somebody's garden just like that, you will get a good scolding, and that too, he or she, whoever garden you are going, will be complaining to your mom and dad. So never do that, okay? Pengu thinks that the peach and pie are delicious. Now Pengu is very bad. Pengu only thinks that peach and pie are delicious, and what about the peas and jar of pickles? She doesn't like her. Okay. Now next, see. On Thursday, Pengu decides she wants to stay home with her parents and pretend that she was perfect at playing piano. Now Pengu has got tired. So Thursday came. She is very much tired of going out. So the day she decides that she will be staying at home, she will be residing at home only with her parents, and she will pretend that she was perfect at playing piano. She will pretend means she will just make a show off that she is very good at playing piano, though she doesn't know to play piano. Okay. Her parents are pleased that she practices so hard playing the piano perfectly. Now this mom and dad are very stupid. They have seen that Pengu is very much interested in playing piano, and that is what had made them pleased. They don't care whether my daughter knows piano or is she practicing every day. They doesn't care. They have seen one day that she is playing. It's done. They say she can go to the playground for the rest of the day, and only doing that has made them happy, and they had given Pengu the permission to go to the playground for the rest of the day. It is something like you guys. In the morning, you have just opened your copy. You have pretended that mom and dad, I am studying so much. And your mom and dad says, okay dear, you have studied for the entire day, now go and play. And gives you the mobile to play instead of your online classes. So this Pengu is kind of like you guys. Okay. Now see. On Friday, Pengu pretends to go to Paris. In Paris, Pengu meets a parakeet and a pelican. Now Friday came, and one day piano is enough for parents, and our parents have thought that Pengu is doing very much good things. So on Friday, Pengu pretends to go to Paris. So what is she pretending? She is pretending that I am in Paris right now, okay, under the Eiffel Tower. In Paris, Pengu meets a parakeet and a pelican. And whom did she meet? She meets a parakeet and a pelican. What is a parakeet? Parakeet is a kind of parrot, and pelican, it's a long kind of black-white bird with a long beak. Okay. The three of them decide to paddle across the pond in the paddle boat. So now the three of them are very adventurous, and they decide that they will be paddling across the pond in a paddle boat, and they will be paddling it. Okay. Upon reaching the other side of the pond, they meet a peacock. Whom they met? They met a peacock, and the peacock gives them a pebble as a prize for paddling all the way across the pond. So after reaching the pond's other side, they met a peacock, and the peacock gave them a pebble. What is a pebble? Pebble means a kind of stone. Okay. Pebble is a stone. Keep in mind, pebble is a stone. And the peacock gave those three stones to them as a prize for paddling the entire pond, for paddling the entire way across the pond. Okay. Now see the next one. The next is the parakeet, the pelican, and pengu are so hungry from paddling. They each have a slice of pizza and it is delicious. Now what they had? They ate a slice of pizza, like the things that you guys love to eat. They each have a slice of pizza and it is very, very delicious. Okay, so now see next. Now all these 5 days completed. Now come to your 6th day. On Saturday, Pengu pretends she is the head of a parade wearing a pink pom-pom and marching with a purple cat wearing a petunia in his hat. So now on 6th day, that is your Saturday, Pengu pretends that she is the head of a parade. She is marching. She is the head of a parade that is marching. And what is she wearing? She is wearing pink pom-pom. She is wearing a skirt with pink pom-poms. Okay. She is looking very cute. Damn cute. And marching with a purple cat. And along whom? Along with a purple color cat wearing a petunia kind of feather. The cat is wearing a hat. See, the cat is wearing a hat with a petunia in his hat. Okay. And people watching cheer and cheer for Pengu and the purple cat while throwing popcorn in the air for the cat to catch. So now the people are watching them to march and they are sitting in the stadium and they are cheering for Pengu. Hey Pengu, hey Pengu. They are cheering for them. Okay. And the purple cat. And what they are doing, and they are also throwing popcorn, like you guys, when you guys see some kind of dog or cat, you guys throw food to them. So these people are also throwing popcorn in the air for the cat to catch. Okay, it's kind of fun, and the popcorn is delicious. The popcorn is very tasty. So 6 days completed. Now come to your 7th day. On Sunday, Pengu is very tired from all the pretending. Now Sunday came and she is very tired. Okay, I have done a lot of work in the entire week and now I need to rest. Like we all feel, like after 6 days of school, we feel, okay, there is one Sunday and now I can relax. Okay. So she decides to go to her best friend's house, Patty, and complete a puzzle. So where she decides to go? She decides that she will be going to her best friend's house. She won't be staying at home and resting. She will be going to her best friend's house and complete a puzzle. The two friends have a pleasant time playing together. They have a wonderful time playing together. Okay. But Pengu cannot wait for Monday to come. And Pengu cannot wait. Now Pengu's the entire tiredness has gone. And now she cannot wait for the next Monday, the next day to come. On Monday, Pengu is going to pretend to be anything that begins with the letter N. Now this week she has pretended to be anything that starts with letter P, be it pirate, be it park ranger or a paratrooper or going to Paris or staying at home and playing piano or a head of the parade wearing pink pom-pom, whatever it is. But next coming week, the present week, she will be pretending to be anything that begins with letter N. Okay. So this is your entire chapter about Pengu. Read this at home. Okay. And solve the question answers given. I have taught you the entire chapter. It won't be hard for you to solve. Okay. So read this is a very interesting and very funny story. I would ask you to go through. And if there is any problem, feel free to ask me. And I would ask all of you, all the students who are watching this video, please try to join your online classes and clarify your doubts. Though I am teaching everything that I teach in online class, but still I would request you to join your online classes. It would be beneficial for you as we are not organizing, as we are not able to organize your classes. Okay. So till then, read properly, stay safe and stay at home.